Getting ready to go out now. Why is it so windy? Right, morning, hi, how are you? It's proper windy. Yeah, so I'm just getting ready to go out. And basically I'm going to Ikea. Why do I look like some different person? Anyways, I went to Ikea this morning. Actually it's afternoon now. My time management is just disgusting. Do more like lookbooks and like outfit stuff on my channel, and I want like a rack to, like, you know how they do it, all this minimalistic, all that stuff. Yeah, I'm that chick. I just want to grab that, and yeah, so I'm gonna like vlog that, and yeah, just another vlog. I'm gonna show you my outfit right now. So this is what I'm wearing. So I've got a confession to tell you guys, by the way. I'll tell you when I'm in the car. But yeah, so I'm just wearing this jacket. And literally I'm just wearing like a crop top. I know it is cold outside, but when I drive I get really hot, so I just thought I'll just put this massive jacket on and then just wear a crop top and just leggings and trainers. Literally nothing special at all. So I'm gonna update you when I get in the car. So I'm gonna grab some stuff and get my purse, my phone, my keys and all that stuff. I got the jacket in my last vlog, the jacket that I took back. So basically I took it back because I wanted an exchange, and they didn't have the same size that I wanted, so they gave me a refund. And you know how I was saying, like, I don't want the Zara jacket, I just want, because it was a bit pricey. Guess what I'm wearing right now? So I got the refund. It was like £60 for the other jacket, and I got the refund. Okay, I thought, I can add another 30, like, because I was going to get that jacket anyways. Add another 30 and just get the Zara one. And guess what I did? After I preached and said it's so pricey, I don't want to get it, it's pricey, everything pricey, I got it. And I'm wearing it now, and honestly, I fucking love it, mate. I tell you now. It's quite a lot for a jacket, not gonna lie. But I actually like it, guys. Yeah, so I got the Zara jacket. After all that ranting, I got the Zara jacket. So yeah. Yeah, that's my little confession. Western Road. Correct, right. Yeah, I know all that, I mentioned earlier, like the minimalistic kind of thing. That's what I want to go for. You're so flipping clothing right now, I don't even know what I'm talking. Yeah, I got the petrol. Alright, I'm going to take my jacket off because I'm hot. It's actually cold outside, but I don't know if anyone's like this, but when I'm driving, I can't have anything around me. Like, I just need to be free. Like, yeah. I like you. Hey. You know I got this in you. I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. There's nothing above you. There's nothing above you, above you. You say make I come, I go come. You say make I go, I go. But I can't come and go and kill myself. Kill myself, kill myself. I can't come and go and kill myself. I can't come and go and kill myself. I can't come and go and kill myself. Kill myself, kill myself. I can't come and go and kill myself. I can't come and go and kill myself. I can't come and go and kill myself. Kill myself, kill myself. Hey, if you're stressed out, this song is for you. Don't go and kill yourself, bro. It's not worth it. Backside crazy. I bet you know you heavy. Makeup wavy. Lifestyle. Oh, it's gonna rain, innit? Oh, why is it gonna rain? I'm not involved. In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto A13 for delivery. You say make I come, I go come. You say make I go, I go myself. Hey, right, I'm just gonna get petrol now, guys. Right, I just got petrol, and I feel like some man didn't pay for his petrol. Like, he was next to me, next to the pump next to me, and he used the pump, and then he just got in the car and drove off. Are people okay? Like, are people okay? Like, do they feel like they ain't gonna get caught? Oh, what is going on here? I swear he didn't pay. I'm pretty sure he did not pay. Like, what the hell? Right. What? Right. I'm gonna update you guys when I get there. So I will see you on the flip side. A bit of Ikea for you. So basically, I literally just want to be in and out. I don't want to waste time. I know the last time I went, my friend said you walk around to find what you need. You know when you're just like, you know what, I don't want to walk around. I just want what I want. Do that. If I find someone, I'm just gonna be like, excuse me, because I've got a picture of what I want. Where is this? And they're gonna take me straight there. I'm gonna grab it and go. Another thing, I actually don't know if what I'm gonna buy is gonna fit in my car, because my car is so small and I'm just here like it's gonna fit in. If I flatten everything, if I flatten the back seats, it should fit in. If not, I just came here for no reason. So yeah. Right, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Do I need a trolley? I don't even know. I don't think I need a trolley. I'm just gonna grab it and go. I hope not. Oh god. Who asked me to come here, boy, with my small ass car? Guys, I don't know where I'm going. This is a shambles. Where am I going? Excuse me. Hi. Yeah, I just want to go. I'm like over it now.
Over already? This is just the first apartment.
The thing is, if I walk around, I'm gonna buy stuff. Oh my god, I'm like back here again. What the hell is this? Oh my god. Ikea is so annoying. Right, where am I going? This guy told me to come here and I don't know where I'm going. Okay. I don't know where I'm going. Where am I going? No, I wasn't here. This is so annoying. Oh, I think I know where I'm going now. Why am I in the kitchen bit, please? Guys, I don't know where I am. I'm confused. So guys, I found one thing that I needed, which is some hooks that I wanted to put in my room. Not in my room. Just hooks. I'll explain later. But now I need to go find a rack. Oh my god, guys, I need a lamp. I've been wanting to get a lamp for the living room. Like, you know, this kind of like vintage. These ones. These are really nice. And they're alright price, but I can't get it today. I'm just gonna take a picture of it and then order it online, like with the order number and everything. Like, look at this. Guys, honestly. This is actually nice, but it needs to be taller. God, I need to get out of here because I'm just gonna buy everything. Oh, Lord. Literally, I actually can't wait to get my own place, you know. Like, seriously. Like, I would decorate it like mad decoration. Not over decorate, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna take a picture of this right now. Right, I need to focus on what I'm here for. And still find the rack. The rack. I think I need to go downstairs.
2,000 years later.
Alright, I think I found what I needed. Definitely found it. Shit. It's not that big at all. Let me just show you. It's not actually that big. Let me confirm this is what I wanted. Yeah, it is. Right, I found what I needed. Thank the Lord. and I picked up some other stuff. I just got like a plant. I can't resist this little plant. I'm definitely finished now. I've got what I needed and I am going home. Not home. I think that's all I need. That's literally all I need. Is there anything else? So much shit in my hand. I'm all done now. Thank the Lord. It's actually cold right now. Right, where did I park? Oh, it's a bit chilly now, man. Seriously. I'm sure this guy, I could just fit this through, like. Right, hold on. Oh, this is amazing. Right, guys, everything fit in my car. It's not that big. It's not big. I knew it would be fine. I knew it would be fine. Yeah, I tried not to buy much because I was like, do you know what? There was so much stuff that I saw. I was like, do you know what? Shoma, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. So I think I'm literally done. I'm so happy with my trip. And now I need to go home and assemble this rack. And assemble the rack. And I don't know where I'm gonna put this rack because I have no space in my room. I don't know why I even got it. Like, I know why. I know what I'm gonna use it for, but it's like to now like store it when I don't need it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I need to reorganize my room again, like seriously. Every day, yeah, I see mad people. I don't know why. I'm not involved. I'm just not involved. Like, I need to get out. I'm starving. I could do with a Big Mac right now, honestly. I might get a Big Mac, you know, on my way home. Ooh, that's a bit dirty. That is proper dirty, Shoma. I could do with a Big Mac, I'm not gonna lie. I could do a Big Mac. Oh, God. I might get a Big Mac. I'll see how I feel. Anyways, peace out, guys.